So I'm starting off with foundation as per usual, and I'm going in with the Zikel Even True Pro Coverage High Definition Matte Poreless foundation in SPF 30, and I'm just using a damp sponge, beauty sponge, to dab that all over my face and spread it out. So for concealer, I'm using the Adventure Makeup Concealer, and I'm going in with very minimal quantity on my the under part of my eyes, my forehead, my T-zone as per usual, and I'm just blending that out with the same sponge I used to blend out my foundation. So yeah, that's what I'm doing, and you want to go in with very little quantity of product so that the creasing will be very minimal. If you'd like to see a video on how I prepped my face before applying makeup, I'll have it linked in the description bar below, so make sure you check it out. Yeah. So to contour my face, I'm using the HD Matte foundation to contour my face, and I'm just putting that all over my face in very tad bits. I also went in with this shade of blush from my lipstick palette. Yeah, my hairline, my jawline, and the sides of my nose as per usual. So I'm just using that same damp sponge to press it into my face and blend it out. You want to avoid putting a lot of products in your under eye area because it tends to crease, and because you'll be wearing glasses, you want to avoid applying too much pressure with your product on those areas. So for my brows, I just used a pencil and the same concealer I used to highlight my face. I used that to highlight my brows using a flat brush. Yeah, a very flat brush. So that's what I'm doing right now. So I used my finger to tap on the concealer and to smoothen out the area where I applied concealer. Yeah. So the next thing you want to do is apply loose powder on the areas where you concealed, where you highlighted. So that's what I'm doing. Just apply very little because I don't want too much products on these areas because I'm still going to be wearing glasses. Yeah, I went in with eyeshadow, and the eyeshadow I'm using is from my Gorgeous Me palette, and from the same palette I went in with highlighter. I just applied that on the places I usually highlight. We usually highlight on our faces, and after that I went in with a glossy lip stain. So guys, the next and final step for me is to apply loose powder to the corner of your glass, and that's it for this video, guys. Please do well to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.